So today, I'm showing you about these three cubes, 3x3, 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 and 4x4, how to make the Russian flag. We got double of these cubes in the 4x4. Even I didn't learn the 4x4, but I tried as 3x3. So I'm showing you this time. So we're going to start first, this cube. So first I'll teach you how to make the Russian flag of this cube. So let's scramble. After we made a scramble, we need to find a blue center. If the blue center has been found, find all the blue edges, put it next to the center, but not these centers. Therefore the colors, next colors. So we need to put the red edge right here. Yeah, we can put an edge right here. White is white. So this is correct. We don't need to do it right here. So we got red, and this is red. So we need to do the algorithm to get it inside our place. So it's correct in the right place. This is correct. The corners must be correct to the edge. Look as the white. So we need to find another red one. So we found red. So we need to do the algorithm. 1, 2, 3, 4. If we finished one corner, so we need to find the white is the last. So we need to find this. We got a white here. So let's do the right algorithm. Oh, sorry, my bad. Even I didn't make it correct. So this is how you finished the Russian flag of your first cube. Let's go to the second one. First, we're gonna go into use a black shade one. So first, sorry about that. So first, we need to do right. Sorry, I just only have so much mosquitoes to bite me. So this is where's the Russian flag on this one, on this cube. So I'm gonna scramble so you can guys see. If you want some new flags, just subscribe to my channel. If we make it to 5K subscribers, I will make the Mexico flag or any country's flag you know about. So let's go on to our first. So you need to do it by yourself. Have you remember? We did one already. We got white is correct already. That's right. We put it inside the right corner, right edge to the same corner. So we need to find a white one. We finished one side, one of this thing. So we can go on this one. Find on this one. And then we finished it. Did you guys like it? Let's go to the second cube. So we got the same cube as this one. So here's the Russia flag right here. You see it? See, guys? All we need to do is to scramble again. So see how can you do it. This is the exam one. So the second one was the testing. So the first one else is the teaching. So let's go on this one. Even I can't do the 4x4 because if I scramble, I can't do it. So sorry guys, I can't do the 4x4. It took much years to study the 4x4. So first, this is the exam for you guys. So, looks like you're almost done. And you finished. Congratulations. You finished your first Russian cube by yourself. So you need to watch this video, rewatch 3-4 times so you can easily know. Bye.